Hi lovely people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how we made this delicious tubani. You don't want to miss this. Let's get right into the video. So here I have some beans flour, which is our main ingredient. I sent this to the grinding mill. You can use your blender if it's very strong to blend to get the powdered form of the beans. And then I have some baking soda. You can use saltpeter, and then I also have salt to taste, and I'll be making use of these leaves. That is what I'll be using to wrap the tubani. And I have some water. So into a bigger bowl I'll transfer the beans flour. I'm making use of 8 cups of beans flour. Then to that I'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I'll mix this together. Then I'll go ahead and add some water, then mix to form the batter. I made use of about 6 cups of water, but if you want this to be very soft, then you can add more water to it. I'll be adding the water gradually until it reaches the consistency that I want. So after mixing it for a while, I'll go in with my hand and mix it very well until there are no lumps in it. The batter is now ready, so I'll go ahead and wrap it with the leaves. So these leaves are too small, so I'll be using 2. The ones that are big, I'll use only 1. All I need to do is to scoop some of the batter into the leaves and then wrap it just as you are seeing on the screen. So we are done with wrapping the batter, and this is what we have. So I'll place a pot on fire, add some water to it, and then I'll use some of the leaves to line the bottom of the pot. This is to ensure that the tubani does not get burnt while cooking. And also note that the amount of water added doesn't have to be so much, because that's the water that will steam the tubani until it is ready. I'll now transfer the wrapped batter into the pot. I'll use some of the leaves to cover, then after that I'll cover the pot with the lid and allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, so let's see how our tubani looks like. So the tubani is ready. We can see that it has changed in color and it's also not sticky to the fingers. This shows that it is ready. So I'll take this off the fire. Then I'll pour some oil into a pan, allow it to heat up, then I'll add some onions. I'll let these onions fry until it turns brown. This is what we'll be using to eat our tubani. This is exactly what we are looking for. As we can see, it has turned brown. So the next thing is to go ahead and serve. So I'll take out some of the tubani into a plate, then we can serve and enjoy. So this is how to make tubani. We'll also be enjoying it with some powdered pepper and salt. So we'll top this up with our oil, and then that's it. We can go ahead and enjoy our tubani. It tasted so delicious. As you can see, we were busily devouring this tubani because it was so delicious. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Please like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in our next video. Bye. And you are invited. We've almost finished this food, guys.